Do you want to draw attention to the center of your video while creating a cinematic depth effect? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a radial blur and focus on the center effect in CapCut Mobile using its built-in video effects. Let's get started. First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Go to the Motion tab and search for Hazy Effect. Tap the effect to preview it, and you'll notice that the center of the video stays sharp while the surrounding areas became softly blurred. Drag the beginning or end of the layer to control how long the radial blur appears. Now, play your video to preview the final result before exporting. And that's how you add radial blur and focus on the center effect in CapCut Mobile. Stay focused, stay creative. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.